Boom! Boom! Friends, welcome everybody to Boys Life Kitchen. Now we have an exciting recipe for you today. We're creating homemade to Ghana. This is Ghana fried chicken. This is the way we do our fried chicken in Ghana. Now, over here, this is our recipe, ingredients. We have some chicken drumsticks that we washed. We wash it with vinegar, lemon juice, and some salt. And then over here we have garlic ginger paste. Over here we have green seasoning, which we have a video that you can check. It's flavor enhancer, real good. Okay, we got some bay leaves. We have some black pepper, Himalayan salt. We got our famous in-house all-purpose seasoning. We have cayenne pepper and some chopped onions. So to start, we're gonna try and crack this bone a little bit. So, all right, so here we go. This is what we do. You crack the bone, just a little, you don't hit it too hard to break it all the way. Just crack it. There you go. All right, cracking away. Crack it away. All right, so now we turn on the stove. We need to have it on medium high. So we put the chickens back in there. We put the chicken back in there and put the onion on top. And then we put the condiments over here. The black pepper and the bay leaves, a little bit of the salt. And then we season it with the cayenne. We like it spicy, so we'll put some cayenne, and then we'll put all-purpose seasoning. All right, so now you don't need to put any water because the chicken usually, when it start cooking, it creates its own moisture. But you can put a little bit, if you need to. It's not necessary, but we'll put a little bit water. The reason why you don't put water is because the concentration of the flavor, the stock, you can use it for something else. We can use it for pasta, for rice, for even potatoes. So now that we've put everything in there, we're going to cover it and allow it to steam so that it can build okay, now that we've covered it, we're going to allow it to cook a little bit. We're not going to cook it all the way. It will just develop the flavor, steam it a little bit. We'll take it off the fire, let it cool, and we use it for our next venture. So join us on the other side. All right, so this is midway through our steaming of the chicken. This is how it looks like. So you need to just stir it up so all the seasoning and spices can mix with the chicken. And let it go on medium, not too high. So we'll cover it again, let it go a little bit. So the blood would to cook the blood out and let it halfway. All right, so our chicken is done right now. It's not cooked all the way, but it's cooked enough. So fellas, please give me subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. All right, so we pour the chicken in here. We want the water to drain the stock. Don't forget to go to bossdakitchen.com if you need my recipes. There are a lot of videos and recipes over there. Share and also hit the notification button. We are back to finishing the Ghana fried chicken. Now, if you're not using thermometer to check your grease, the best way is to use a chopstick or wooden spoon. Stick it in there. As you can see, when you see the bubbles forming around it, your wood or chopping stick or spoon is ready to go. It's about 350 or 360 degrees. So now we already steam our chicken, and we're not going to put it through the battering system, the flour. So, but what we're going to do, we have another alternative. we're gonna put the flour into the oil. Not much, maybe about a tablespoon. We're gonna put it in oil, and that's what's gonna crisp the outside of the chicken. So we'll put this much in there, and then we'll start putting the chicken in. Chicken is pre-cooked already, so it's not going to take that long. Alright, welcome back. Remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share, like my channel, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also make sure you go to boxstarkitchen.com for further recipes and videos. Make sure you subscribe. Alright, it's been about 5-6 minutes now, so we'll flip it. We'll flip the chicken. Wow, look at the color. That's a beautiful golden brown. That is wonderful. And I like the smell. It smells nice, beautiful. Smells good. I can't wait to dig in. Wow. Ooh, it looks good. Alright, so the chicken should be done right now. I check it, it's about 165 degrees internal. I'll turn off the so and get the chicken out. Beautiful. And it's crispy on our side as well. That looks good. Wow. Beautiful chicken. Smelling real good. And it's so juicy, I can tell. Plump and juicy. Wow, and the flavor is overpowering. Alright, so now we're going to take it back and then we'll plate. Alright, we're going to serve our salad, our chicken with some salad. I'm going to put in a little bit this red sin and then salad dressing. And there's the moment of truth. Let's check out, see how the chicken came out. Wow, look at how juicy. It is so juicy and plump. Wow. Friends, it's so juicy and delicious. I'm gonna get some more. Look at it. Look at how juicy. Look, just look at how juicy it is. And it's falling off the bones. Friends, this is amazing. When you try this fried chicken, you'll never go there any other way. Better than KFC, better than Popeyes. And it's juicy. You might think doing the way we did it, you're going to lose some moisture or the juiciness or the flavor. It is packed with flavor. Delicious. Man, I can't stop eating. Look at the moisture. Look at the moisture. And so tender and flavorful. So anyway, please subscribe, give me thumbs up, share, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Meanwhile, ciao, bon appetit.